What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know that sounds so funny, huh? I got the girlfriend in here. I literally just closed out half a second ago part 1. This is now part 2, and I'm starting right now because I want to put a little bit of work into it tonight. That way tomorrow there's not as much to do. But in the previous video, we got pretty much all of this done, molded, a little bit of bondo there, that whole seam back there. We're gonna go ahead and pull these out right now. It should be solid. It should not come out. And we're gonna throw a skim of bondo there. No sanding tonight, just pretty much get all the bondo on, come out tomorrow, get it all sanded. My girlfriend over here writing Bad Bunny. She's getting all hyped up right now over Bad Bunny. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod. We're gonna get these removed, get a skim of bondo here, maybe on this side as well, and then I'm gonna pick this video up, or continue the video tomorrow. So let's get started. Alright guys, what's up? It's the next day. I came out here a bit earlier and started kind of putting in some work already onto it, just so we could kind of get a little bit ahead of schedule instead of having to stop and go for filming. So let me show you what we do have. So I went ahead and glued already all of this front down yesterday, and it's solid now. So we have nothing officially holding it in. It's sanded all the glue off. Sanded down the side pieces right here. So this does need still a little bit of work, more so in this area than anything. Sanded all this down. This looks really good. We're still gonna have to put, of course, you know, maybe 1 or 2 more passes of bondo. Hoping for 1 though, because it already feels really good. But probably 1 more pass of bondo there. Got this all sanded down as well. So another pass of bondo there as well. I need to put a little bit right here because some glue spilled on it, and when I sanded it off, it kind of made a little indent. So I'm gonna have to do that. And then yeah, pretty much that's about it. This section I'm gonna focus on, I think, last. So right now my main sections are right here, the back and the other side, but it's really looking good. Huge progress, guys. This thing is like flat, literally flat. I know it looks like a lot. Most of this is gonna get sanded off. This is looking good. This came out, like, this side came out smooth because I cleaned up the spatula, wherever it's at, the spreader I mean. This side was laying down really smooth, but then the hardener started to harden onto the spreader, leaving all of this. This is what you want to try to avoid, just because it makes it harder to sand, but it is what it is. It's looking really well. I'm so happy. Made quite the mess, but it's looking good though. I'm happy.
Change me. I am strong.
top portion, and it looks so good. Let me show you what we got. But damn, dude, this car is filthy, guys. Oh my god. Anyways, so yeah, we got the spot putty along the whole back right there. Let me pause this because I don't want to get copywritten. And then what I did was, there's really no point in having bondo on the actual wing itself, because then it's just going to create a high spot. So if I did that, I would have to bondo the whole wing. So what I did was actually sanded it all down along the whole thing, along the whole wing. All the little holes are shaved, and then I just went crazy on just sanding. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this cleaned off right here, and then I'm going to put some masking tape along this, and then it just needs a little bit more, like it's smooth. You could barely feel the transition, like barely. So it just needs maybe 1 or 2 more light passes, and then I'm going to sand it with the D8, most of it down, and then I'm going to block it all like this to make sure it's smooth. This section back here does need also some more work. It's a little wavy, not too bad though. For the most part, these sides are pretty much done. This section right here is gonna need a little bit more. This section right here is gonna need a little bit more. Alright guys, so I ended up throwing down some primer just to see the imperfections and just to see exactly what all needs work. This section right here definitely needs some sanding. It's not a crack, but it does need work. And then pretty much I'm going to coat the whole thing, but instead of doing the bondo this way, I'm going to kind of wipe it like this all the way. Guys, a lot of sanding and body work filler later. It's almost done. It's not done yet, but it's fully primered for the most part. Still needs a lot more work. Let me go ahead and pause this real quick. Still needs a lot of work. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna say a lot. It needs to be blocked still. I mean, I've blocked it, but it's gonna need another pass. A little bit more bondo, but let me go ahead and show you what we got. So it's very smooth, just little pinholes like that. I don't know if that picks up, but you can see like right here, these 3. So we're gonna have to do stuff like that right here and then give it another block so I can still see some parts that need to be blocked. And then this back part right here as well is primered, but it's gonna need a little bit more here. And then just a nice sand. I know it looks a little odd right now because only that's primered, but it's really coming together. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, but I definitely need to get this thing washed. I'll probably do that tomorrow just because it's still gonna need a little bit more work, but for the most part, it's really coming together though. I think that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off. I need to go ahead and do my girlfriend's brakes now on her car. Gotta get that done. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I'm really happy with it. The rest I'll probably do off camera, but I will update you guys, of course. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Stay tuned for a lot more because this should be done within the next couple of days. And then I have another part coming in as well. I'm not going to say what that is. Or actually, it's not even on the way. I haven't even ordered it yet. But I'm going to be ordering it soon. And then it'll be on the way. So that's going to change the look of the car as well. You guys can try to guess what it is. But stay tuned for it. I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.